Okay, this video is for Marcia at Life Clinics Training. Basically to show her how to add events to her website. I've already signed in to the dashboard here. I normally have the site open in two browser tabs. One with the back where I've logged in, and one here as you see on the front of the site so I can see any changes. The events that we're changing are actually on this page here, which is the dates page. Excuse me. And that shows the upcoming events. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Now, down this side margin, you look for events. Click on events from the drop down, and there you'll see all the previous events that have been added. Right, so we're going to add a completely new one. So add new, and this is the information that Marcia has given me to add this one. Right, so we're going to need a title first, which will be Introduction to Hypnotherapy. So I'll copy that. You'll see all these boxes here where it's got add title. That's where you put the title of the event. Don't click use the Divi Builder. We don't need to use the Divi Builder for the events and dates. Now here is where you put the main body of your text. Now you'll see there's a text tab and there's a visual. I tend to work more in the text if I can, for the simple reason is when you work in visual, although it's supposed to be what you see is what you get, it doesn't always work that way. I will try that out and see with the info that Marcia's given me here. Right, so that would be the information there. In fact, take all of it. Copy and paste it. And you'll see exactly what I mean. There's all sorts of gaps here in between the blocks of text, and that will make the front of the website look really awful. I can change that. What you could do is go to text and literally use that exactly as you would on a Word document or whatever. Get rid of the gaps, and that and NBSP just signifies a break there, which we don't want. So I'll just bring this all up a little bit better. That's all fine. Okay, right, so you follow it down and you've got the events calendar, which is your time and date. Right, I can see here that it's the 5th of September, so you just click into the date box and pick 5th of September. It's a one-day event, so it's 10 AM start, so you click in the box for the time, choose 10 AM, and then 2, and it's got 5 PM, we're going for 4 PM. Okay, so that's that done. As you scroll down a bit more, you'll see the currency event cost. Currency symbol, so you have to put the pound sign in. And I think this one is £35. Right, so you just put 35, you don't need to put the zeros or anything. Okay, that's that. Now over here on the side you've got set featured image. I generally, with Marcia's events, just put her logo in there, but you can put any image. It opens up into the media library where all the images on the website are. If you want to put a different image, up here you've got media library, you've got upload files, select file, and it will open up to your computer where you can drag and drop an image into there. But for now I'll do what I've been doing in the past, and that's just put Marcia's logo there. Just move this out of the way. You don't need to worry about anything on there. Just go down to the green button once you've got that logo with the tick mark next to it and click on set featured image. So that's the image set. Then quite literally, let me just have a look. I don't know if we have sidebars, so let me have a look at one of the other courses that we've done before. No, we don't have right. Okay. So with these, it's always important at the top here you've got page layout and it defaults to right sidebar. Click on the drop down and put no sidebar. Once that's done, you just click publish. And that basically should be it. So if I go back to the dates, refresh the page in the browser, and there we go, it's the introduction to hypnotherapy 5th of September. When I click on that, it takes me to the actual event, and there you'll see all the information that we've got. Okay. The only other thing worth mentioning is if you go to events again, go to all events. If you'll see here the dates for the events. If you want to edit any of the old ones, you just click on them. Let's say that one which is actually gone, Parts Therapy Workshop. And you'll see all the information's in there, and you just change or edit any bits that you want to change. If you want to use exactly the same one again for a different date, you just click exactly as we did before, choose different dates. This one's an all-day event, but you can take that out so that you can actually set specific times. And that's basically it. It's actually quite simple, really. It's like blog posts. They're one of the simplest parts of working on these WordPress sites.